So some network issue due to what? Dangerous rains, right? Okay. So what I was saying is today Tesla, if it is launched in Indian market, will Mahindra, we have so many car companies, right, in India. Mahindra ho gaya, Volkswagen ho gaya, we have Tata, we have what? Four different other brands, we have Hyundai, right? Do you honestly think all these car companies will be able to straight away cope up with that kind of technology and try to what? Compete in the Indian market? Bolo?
No, sir.
Automatic
No, sir.
driving plus electric and with that kind of range and also that kind of security where in a Tesla you have seen videos people sleep off in the car and reach the destination. India mein the problem is the car the problem or is the road the problem? Bolo.
Road, sir.
Road.
So Indian companies will try. Tata will try a fully electric, automatic, whatever is happening, but it will not have that much good service like Tesla. And eventually, what will happen? Right? The company will wear out or the whole company will go to what? A sad demise. हो सकता है क्या? Yes. Even Nokia tried. Nokia when Apple came, they tried different marketing strategies to sell their product. They tried what? Maybe some innovation instead of keypad, giving some other option, keypad giving it on the screen, something like that they tried, which was nothing but the flux. They tried a lot to cope up with the changing environment, right? With the environmental change, or I could say industry changes that are happening. There are new leaders that are going to come up, there are new companies that will come up. What will happen? They will have a what response to the environmental change, but that response will be spiraling around. Means they will try, they will fail, they will try, fail, try, fail, try, fail. Till the time, what will happen? There will be either something that will be groundbreaking. Jalo, you have Tesla, you have someone from Tesla leave and join Mahindra and start making what? Cars at that level or at that junction, right? कि भाई nothing is going to what? Take over things. ऐसा fully new car they are going to make, same like Tesla. If they can imitate that or maybe make a better car than what Tesla has, then only will they be able to survive this change and transform or make a transformational change. Or else, like Nokia, if you do not make a transformational change, you will have what? Demise. Direct what? Straight closure of the company. This going down, right, is always called as what? Tell me. Demise. ये है demise. Simple and sweet. Right? Have a look. This is how your strategic drift works out. Now see, I have tried to keep it as simple as possible. Incremental change, the external environment, that is the industry generally, starts changing slowly. Management makes small changes to what? Existing strategy. At the very start, you will make small changes. See, when Apple and Samsung came up, see, Nokia had a bit of ego that what? I have been ruling this market for last 10-12 years, right? Some new company coming up with some smart tech, right, will not take me over straight away, right? They will try. Starting May as a response, they will do a lot of small things changing. Like here I have given a furniture retailer ka example. Now see, that industry or rather every industry, because of the emergence of mobile and social media and apps and all those things, honestly tell me, all industries have gone through a transformation. Chalo, come back. Am I audible? Visible? Visible nahi.
You're audible, sir.
I'm audible. Not yet visible.
Yes, sir.
So what I was saying is, so I was saying that every industry who's been a market leader for a period of time, ठीक है, will always not take competition too seriously. Will they take competition too seriously? Tell me. अरे यार,
Sir, recording, sir.
I don't know. Recording also, it is showing that it is recording, but somehow it is not recording. Here it is showing that it is recording.